I can taste something bitter in the sweetness. There's an ache in my lungs 'cause I'm not breathing.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video. So first of all, to my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for always coming to watch my videos and liking and sharing. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing. So guys, as you can see, I'm headed out. I'm going to make my hair. It's been like 2 months since I made my hair. I'm going to retouch. I'm not going to braid or something. I'm just going to retouch. And I started my locks journey way back in 2020 December, the corona year in 2020, December. And yeah, it's been a great journey actually. It's been really nice. And yeah, the reason why I opted to lock my hair was because of blow drying. Blow drying was my worst experience in salons, like especially these hairs here in front and the hairs behind here. Please, don't touch them. I was like, hell no, do not touch. But some of them, like when they blow dry, I'll take you guys along with me. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. I'm headed to take a matatu and yeah, head to town. Okay, let's do this. Let's make this hair.
Caught up in a cycle in this tattered kind of world. My manic is panicking if I'm really the type of girl who stays up until the morning. It's pouring, at least I hear some type of interaction. I can taste something bitter in the sweetness. There's an ache in my lungs 'cause I'm not breathing. I break myself to pieces, test my patience, craving just a little validation. When will I start feeling like I'm good enough for you? Only happy if you're happy for me. Dying every second you ignore me. Now all my self-worth depends on you. When did I become so desperate? When did I become so insecure? I hate myself so you can love me more. When did I become so desperate? Break the mirror on my bedroom door. How much longer can I do this for? Do this for? Scared that nothing that I say is gonna convince me. Need to hear it come from you, or I don't sleep. I spend my free time wishing I was. It's different, new identities and new beginnings. I don't know.
Hi y'all, so my hair is done and yeah, this is the style that I went for. In case you're in Nakuru and you need such services, you need your hair locked, you need your hair braided, anything just to do with your hair. I'll leave the details of my girl. She's a close friend of mine, by the way, and yeah, she's the one who has locked my hair since 2020. Like I've been with her this whole time. I'm a very faithful client. So she's the one who has done like all this from the beginning, from 2020 up to now. It's her all the time. I don't love many people like handling my hair. You stick to one person. So yeah, I'll leave her details. You can follow her on Instagram and DM her. She will give you the directions on how to get her. Anything just to do with your hair, she got you. She's very amazing at her job, very amazing, and her prices are affordable. I'm right about now to have my lunch. I ordered some fries, so I'm a fries girl. I take fries any day, anytime, anywhere. I've ordered and I'm waiting for it to come. Then once I'm done eating my lunch, I will go and buy sukuma wiki seedlings. I don't know if it's seedlings, the matawi, yeah, sukuma wiki, the kills, and then I go and plants for kitchen garden. Guys, there's a certain satisfaction that comes with new hair. You guys have no idea. It's just fulfilling. Anyway, guys, let me wait for my lunch. It's 4:30. Oh my god, I'm having lunch at 4:30, but yeah. Let me do that, then rush and buy the cake. Then I think I'll head home.
So insecure, I hate myself so you can love me more. When did I become so desperate? Break the mirror on my bedroom.
If you go slow, 'cause there's some things I'd never told.
I was just about to go home, then my sister-in-law hijacked me to go to the supermarket to buy some milk and later on to buy supper.
You, why I don't know. I guess I've never been as bold as you. You put a little beat in my heart and a little light in my dark. And now it's my turn, but where do I start? You got me hooked in like an upbeat chorus. Got me on my knees begging for it. You got my whole heart screaming it, and you got the whole dance floor feeling it. You caught me off guard with your rhythm so smooth. Gotta take it all in, I'm in awe of you. Girl, I can't stop listening. No, I'll never get enough, won't you play it again? Well, maybe it don't show. And a little light in my dark, and now it's my turn, but where do I start? You got me hooked in like an upbeat chorus. Got me on my knees begging for it. You got my whole heart screaming it, and you got the whole dance floor feeling it. You caught me off guard with your rhythm so smooth. Gotta take it all in, I'm in awe of you. Girl, I can't stop listening. No, I'll never get enough, won't you play it again? All I wanted was to keep you with me. I thought I was supposed to keep you guessing. I should've swallowed my pride, 'cause that's what you left with.
So guys, we've come to the end of this vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. And if you've not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. Please get me to 500 subscribers. Yeah, anyway, so subscribe, like, and watch, and drop a comment if you may. And I appreciate you all, and I love you all. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye.